Where billionaires take to the skies in ultimate style today, I'm diving into the most expensive private jets of 2025. Floating palaces in the air that redefine extravagance. These aircraft aren't just for travel. They are symbols of power, wealth, and unparalleled comfort. Buckle up as I unveil the top private jets that only the ultra-rich can afford. First up, the Airbus. A 380 private jet, a flying masterpiece worth $600 million. This double-decker jet, originally built for commercial airlines, has been transformed into a skyborne mansion. Multiple bedrooms, a grand lounge, a conference hall, a private cinema, and even a Turkish bath. This jet offers the highest level of luxury. It's not just a jet, it's a flying five-star hotel. Who owns one? Reports suggest a few Middle Eastern royals and tech billionaires have customized their A380s into airborne palaces. Next on the list are the Boeing 747, 8 VIP, priced at $500 million. Often called the Queen of the Skies, it boasts a lavish dining area, a spacious master suite with a king-size bed, a walk-in wardrobe, and even a private office. Gold-plated details, handcrafted furniture, and high-tech security systems define its interior. For billionaires who need both luxury and long-range capability, this jet is the ultimate choice. For speed, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, the Gulfstream G700 at $80 million is perfect. It features the longest, widest, and tallest cabin in its class, with panoramic windows flooding the interior with natural light. Customizable living spaces, ultra-soft leather seating, and next-generation avionics guarantee a smoother ride. With a range of over 7,500 nautical miles, it's ideal for non-stop flights between major cities. The Bombardier Global 8000, costing $75 million, is known for its record-breaking speed and luxurious interior. It can reach Mach 0.94, making it one of the fastest private jets in the world. Inside you'll find a full-size bed, a spa-inspired bathroom, a private entertainment zone, and state-of-the-art connectivity for remote work. Finally, the Embraer Lineage 1000E, priced at $70 million. This aircraft offers a spacious interior with 5 luxurious zones, including a master bedroom, a gourmet kitchen, and a private cinema. What sets this jet apart? Its ability to land on shorter runways, making it perfect for accessing exclusive locations. From sky palaces to supersonic speeds, these private jets represent the pinnacle of luxury in 2025. They aren't just transportation, they are statements of success, power, and prestige. If money were no object, which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and follow for more billionaire luxury insights.